Hi everyone, this is Vivek. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use SVG images in your Flutter app. So here I have basic Flutter app running in my mobile device, and I have downloaded few SVG images for the demonstration purpose. So first of all, let's add those SVG images in our project. So let me minimize this interface, and I have these two SVG images that I have downloaded from svgrepo.com. and if you need any SVG images, like there is a huge collection of SVG images, you can download from there. I will leave the link in the description, be sure to check that out. And let's add these two SVG images in our project first. So I have selected these two, and let's go to our project, that is SVG demo. And now let's create a folder named SVG images, or we can simply call it images, and let me paste those images here. Okay, now let's go back to our code and scroll down. Here you can see the prospect.yml file, and now we need to refer the folder that we have just created in this file. So here in the line number 62, just uncomment this line number 62 and 63. Just hit Ctrl / in your keyboard, and this will be uncommented. And to include the images folder, just get rid from this file name, and every images or every files under this folder can be used on our app. Okay, so to display SVG images in our app, we can't directly display using the image widget. Instead, we have to download a package named SVG Flutter. So let's go to pub.dev and download that package. So let me open my browser. And go to pub.dev and search for SVG Flutter. Okay, we can go with this package. Okay, it is Flutter SVG, and it have highest number of likes. So whenever you are downloading some packages, make sure that it got highest number of likes. Okay, as it means it is liked by most developers like you. So here you can see like how we can display the SVG picture. Like in the string variable, we have saved the asset path, and we make use of the SVG picture widget, and it have the .asset function, and we have provided asset name and semantic label. And we can provide some color filter as well, and we can use the SVG picture from both asset and network. Okay, so let's go with the basic first, and let's install the package. Okay, so go to the installing tab and just copy this command and paste this command in the terminal. So the Flutter SVG package is also installed now, so you can verify it by checking in the prospect.yml file, and here you can see Flutter SVG, and its version 2.0.10+1. Okay, so after adding the package, if the app is already built, you have to stop it and rebuild the app again. Okay, so that the files of this Flutter SVG package also built in our app. So let's go to main.dart and start building our app. So now let me create a folder named screens, and I will create a home screen here. So in this screen we are going to implement SVG images. Okay, so let me rename this file to correct it, home screen dot. So let's import the material package first. Import package Flutter /material dot, and we will create a stateless widget here. Okay, my code editor is still syncing. Okay, so let me change this my home page to include the home screen that we will create shortly. So okay, now our app is also built again. So let's create a stateless widget here. And let's name it home screen, and let me quickly create some basic stuffs. Okay, like scaffold, sorry, not scaffold messenger, it is scaffold widget, and we are going to provide app bar. And so let's give it a name. So it is going to be a SVG demo. Okay, so we have to provide the widget here. Okay, so it is a text widget, and in the body let's provide a column, and let's okay, we will display our SVG images in this column. Okay, so let's refer this home page from main.dart file, and so as soon as the app is started we will be landed to the home screen. Okay, so let's try this. Let me restart the app. And now we are in the SVG demo page. So we can directly use SVG images in this manner. Okay, so first like you can use SVG picture from different fields like asset, file, memory, network. Okay, just like image widget, or you can use SVG picture from the string also. So you can explore all these later. Okay, so first of all let's go with the asset. Just use SVG picture.asset, and you have to provide a asset path here. So for us our asset path is images slash, and let me rename this. Okay, let me rename this to, this is like menu.svg, and this one source.svg. Okay, so that it will be easier for us to type the name. Okay, and here you can see the preview of the SVG images. If you are wondering like how I am seeing this, then I have used the extension called SVG preview. So if you want to preview your SVG images just like mine, you can simply go to extension and search for SVG preview package, probably. Yeah, this package. You can download this package and preview all the SVG images of your project. Okay, so let's go back to our app, and let me close this. And for now our path is images slash menu.svg. So let me save this. Okay, let me restart the app instead. If you are not seeing the SVG image like this, make sure that you have stopped the app and run it again. This is what I just did, and it works. Now let's play around with this SVG. Like, we can provide it some width, height, and we can even change the color. So let's provide it a width of 200, height of 100, and let's give it a color red. Okay, so in the color property you can go with colors.red, and let's save this. And here you can see the size of the SVG image is increased and its color is also changed, and the color property is deprecated, and instead we have to use something like, okay, there might be some other properties. So if you can see here, it may work with color filter. Okay, so let's leave that for now. And we can also load the SVG image from network, and I just asked ChatGPT for the SVG network image URL, and it have provided me a URL. So let me use that. Okay, so you can go with SVG Picture.network, and you can simply paste the URL. Okay, and here is the URL that ChatGPT have provided me, and let me change few details. Okay, or I can simply save the app now, and here you can see the SVG picture, and we can play around with height and width here, just like what we did in the asset. And you can also try some other properties like SVG picture from string, SVG picture from network, or SVG picture from file. So I have demonstrated from asset and network. I hope you guys have understood what you can do with SVG pictures and how you can implement it in your Flutter app. So if this video have helped you, please be sure to subscribe our channel, and if you have any problems while following the steps shown here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.